We are honored to formalize Vision Group's role as the lead media partner for the Uganda Martyrs Day 2026 celebrations at the Anglican site. We are glad to be here today to sign this Memorandum of Understanding, which basically is a partnership rooted in shared values. You heard Professor Taimba outline them clearly, that we are all ambitious, we all believe in service to community, and really our drive is just not profit, but to make sure that we are able to serve and serve professionally, and that we aspire for excellence. As you might know, last year the Vision Group was actually a partner with the lead organizers for the celebrations, which was the Northern Uganda cluster. And Vice Chancellor and your team, want to let you know that we learned quite a lot working with the Northern cluster, and that experience is partly what we bring besides everything else to be able to make sure that actually this year's celebration is even much, much better and more exciting. And we're very certain about it. We're glad that we're working with the theme, Christ our Peace, Breaking the Walls. I think this in a way is already a way of breaking the walls as we bring together a leading academic institution partnering with a leading media organization, joined by faith but also for service of man. This partnership matters to us because, as you all know, June 3rd is not just a national but a global moment where we draw millions of pilgrims. It is our country's largest annual faith gathering and also offers us a moment of deep reflection. On behalf of the Vision Group, we really want to congratulate Uganda Christian University for having been chosen to organize this year's commemoration at the Anglican site. I'm sure this is because this can be attributed to your aspiration for excellence and spiritual integrity. Your planning and taking the lead obviously honors the sacrifice of our martyrs. As Vision Group, we're excited to be a part of this organization and celebration. And Vice Chancellor, again, we really want to appreciate Uganda Christian University for having chosen us to be the lead media partner of this. Uganda is not short of media houses. You could have gone elsewhere, but like you rightly put, if what the university was seeking for is excellence, professionalism in the media, but also the dominant control of audiences and the ability to influence, then you're right to work with the Vision Group. We commit as a group to have an integrated national campaign running across our platforms. Professor Taimba correctly outlined them. The only platform you might have missed, Professor, is we also have what we call out-of-home advertising. We have digital billboards spread across Kampala, Entebbe, Mbarara, and Jinja for now. And those also will be part of our platforms for communication, besides the others that you ably outlined.